Hi friends, welcome to Great Indian Cooking. Every week, as you know, we are seeing beautiful dishes, easy recipes from every state of India, and we are learning basic things about Indian cooking. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and please do not forget to like and comment and share. Today we are going to see easy lemon rice from Tamil Nadu. To make easy lemon rice, we need cooked rice 1 cup, green chilies 2, red chilies 1, mustard seeds 1 tablespoon, Bengal gram 1 tablespoon, jeera half tablespoon, curry leaves, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, lemon 1, ginger 1 inch, salt to taste and oil. If you have cooked rice at home, this is going to take just 2 minutes for tempering, that's it. And you will forget making Maggi for the 2 minutes. And this has variations from every household, and while I'm making, I'll give you the differentiation, and the differentiation will enhance the flavor in lemon rice and the taste will be totally different. Now I've added oil, and into the oil I'm going to temper mustard seed, jeera, curry leaves and dry chilies. I've added now the mustard seeds. In some household they will not add jeera, they will just add mustard seeds. That is one variation, and I add jeera because it will give more aroma to the lemon rice, and moreover it would be giving you a good digestion power. So I've added jeera today. Always let the mustard seeds crackle nicely, because if it is undercooked, again it will give you a bitter taste, and if it is overcooked, it will not taste good. It will again give a burnt taste to the food. So it is better that you crackle appropriately. Now I'm added the chana dal. In place of chana dal, you can add cashews or peanuts. That's another alteration that you can make. And now I've added the red chilies. Now I'll add the jeera to it. So you can avoid jeera again, as I told you earlier. And I'm putting the slit curry leaves. Curry leaves is a integral part of South Indian cooking. So every dish of South India will have curry leaves. Now I'm going to grate 1 inch ginger into it, and ginger is also optional. In some houses they do not use ginger. Grate it nicely and mix it along with the oil so that the aroma and the spice of ginger gets amalgamated in the oil. Now I'm going to put the turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. You can switch the gas off and then you can add the turmeric powder. Now I'm going to add the cooked rice into it, and the rice has to be grainy like this. Do not overcook, and the rice should not be mushy. Then your lemon rice will not taste good. Any variety rice of South India, the rice has to be grainy and it should not be mushy. Then the rice would not, the variety rice, whatever we are making, tamarind rice, lemon rice, coconut rice, any rice will not taste good. And today, the main reason why I am making this lemon rice, people must be thinking that lemon rice is such an easy dish, why am I making today? But people from North India love this lemon rice and feel that it's going to be a master game. No guys, I wanted to teach you guys this lemon rice because it is very simple to make. And I have made this dish specially for my friend Satyavrat because he has asked for lemon rice. And I have squeezed 1 big lemon into it, and again the rice should not be hot, so mind that the rice should not be hot, because the heat in the rice or when it is in the stove, the lemon would get bitter. So I put adequate salt into it, and I'm going to thoroughly mix every ingredient with the rice. And this will not taste good while you have the first day. When you're going to have it, like morning, you're making it for lunch and you're taking it in the thing, then it will taste good. See how grainy and how tasty and colorful it is. That is it guys. The lemon rice is always good to have as a travel dish. Also it tastes better. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and please like, give your wonderful thoughts and comments, and don't forget to share with your friends and relatives. Thank you.